Manually raking leaves is often a laborious chore. You can make it an easier and faster process by using a leaf blower. There is a wide variety of styles and sizes of leaf blowers on the market today, ranging from light-duty handheld units to heavyweight professional-grade models. There are many products available to choose best leaf blower, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ryobi One Plus 18-volt cordless battery leaf blower. The Ryobi One Plus cordless leaf blower speedily cleared leaves in various conditions while still being light and compact enough for us to operate it with one hand. This model has an airflow capacity of up to 280 cfm and airflow speed of up to 100 miles per hour. We found it to offer plenty of power and convenience for its price point, earning it the top spot in our roundup. The setup was quick and easy. We just had to snap two pieces together. Once it's up and running, you can choose between different speeds depending on your preference. It was considerably faster at clearing the dry leaves from the patch of concrete, finishing the job in just under 20 seconds. The different fishing weights moved easily, and we were able to adeptly and precisely control the unit's airflow as we triumphed in rounding up the pile of leaves into the chalk-drawn box on concrete in less than 22 seconds. Number 2. Makita XBU03SM118VL Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless Blower Kit. Anyone who wakes up one fall day after heavy rain or heavy wind will appreciate the Makita XBU03SM118VL Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless Blower Kit. It's a lightweight, easy-on-the-hand solution for clearing an inundated yard with an airflow capacity of up to 459 cfm and an airflow speed of up to 116 mph. Since it weighs just 6.5 pounds, we found it light and user-friendly enough to adeptly hold and operate with just one hand. The leaf blower lets you choose from different speed settings, and we liked having the ability to control the power. However, we found it difficult to precisely control the airflow's direction and effects. For example, regardless of the setting we used, we couldn't wrangle the leaves in the chalk-drawn box on concrete. Number 3. Ego Power Plus LB6003 Cordless Leaf Blower. The Ego Power Plus 600 CFM backpack blower is a backpack model, so some of its weight is distributed onto your back as you use it. This means two things. First, your arms and wrists are spared from bearing the entire load and consequently may not grow fatigued as quickly. Second, you shouldn't be super alarmed by its 16.2-pound weight, which is considerably heavier than that of the other models on this list. We appreciated that the backpack felt light and comfortable and that it didn't hinder our mobility as we were using the unit. We also liked the convenience of the adjustable tube. Plus, we found it not too loud while operating and all in all, fun and easy to use. Number 4. DeWalt 20V Max XR Cordless Leaf Blower. The DeWalt brushless handheld blower has a user-friendly variable speed trigger and speed lock, which made our experience using it to be effortless and straightforward. Our tester said they really liked the power control buttons as well as the option to control the power two ways, either on all the time or by using the trigger function. The unit cleared the damp leaves from the patch of grass in 43 seconds and the dry leaves from the patch of concrete in a speedy 10 seconds. We had a small technical difficulty when attempting to clear the patch of grass from dry leaves. We didn't properly attach the tube during our initial assembly, so it fell out while we were using the leaf blower. Even so, we still managed to finish the task in 52 seconds. Number 5. Worx 40V Turbine Cordless Leaf Blower. The Worx 40V Turbine Cordless Leaf Blower Power Share with Brushless Motor lets you choose from an airflow capacity of 300 to 470 cfm and from an airflow speed of 60, 69, 80, or 95 mph. Our tester liked that the unit was lightweight and easy to handle with one hand and fairly quiet for how much power it offers. It cleared the patch of grass from dry leaves in 12.9 seconds, which was the fastest clock time among all the other models on this list for that specific test. It cleared the patch of grass from damp leaves in a slightly faster 12.7 seconds and the patch of concrete from the dry leaves in a considerably longer 52 seconds. However, we were pleased with its power as it easily pushed the fishing line weights a 10-foot distance.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.